That is the temperature sensor making noises, and it's timed, so it'll keep making that noise even after the engine shuts off. And it's just on all the time, even while I'm driving, and it's driving me nuts. So I'm going to tackle that today. It's very easy to do, so let's get started. And what do you know? It's broken. So I'll need a new one of these. But basically what's making that noise is this fan right here. So I'm gonna order a new one and we'll continue from there. And a few weeks later, I got the new sensor. I got it from a guy in Sweden. He has a Facebook page that he sells used parts off of. He's very communicative, and I'll link a URL to his Facebook page. I think it's a good source for sourcing used parts. Anyways, I'm gonna put this on now. Oh, and no more noises from here. And what I just realized is that when the temperature sensor is broken, every time I just start my car, it would automatically go on full blast because it doesn't sense any temperature. But now it doesn't do that. It it does what it's supposed to. So I'm very happy about that. And my next fix is the outside temperature sensor. Right now, because mine is broken, it just reads dashes, and I got a good used one from the same guy. So I'm gonna be replacing this, and we'll see what happens.